Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are fine. This is your English teacher. Our today's topic is WH questions. Let's watch the video for better understanding of WH questions and their usage.
Questions: when and how. Children, today we will learn about when and how questions. Sentences and questions. There are different kinds of sentences. Some provide information and some ask for information. Today we will take up when and how questions. These questions, like all other questions, end with a question mark which looks like this. The when question. Children, look at these sentences. When are you coming home? When is your birthday? When will the party begin? When do we have our library period? All these four sentences begin with when and end with a question mark. All the four ask for some specific information related to time. Some examples. Look at some more questions beginning with when. When will the school bus arrive? When are we going for a picnic? When will you finish your homework? When was I angry with you? Children, note that they ask for specific information related to time, begin with when, and end with a question mark. Speaking the when questions. The when questions are spoken in a slightly different manner. Look at this. When will grandfather visit us? The speaker modulates his or her speech higher while speaking when and drops the modulation for the remaining sentence. The word when is also stressed while speaking. Let's repeat these questions, paying attention to modulation. When is the recess going to start? When do we have our Diwali celebration? Children, did you notice how when was spoken differently from the rest of the sentence? The how question. Children, look at these sentences. How are you? How is Tanya reaching the airport? How did you get hurt? How important is this file? All these four sentences begin with how and end with a question mark. All the four ask for some specific information related to the manner in which some action was taken. Some examples. Look at some more questions beginning with how. How did you save money to buy me a gift, son? How did you hurt yourself? How are you planning to spend your vacation? How is the patient now, doctor? Children, note that they ask for specific information related to the manner in which something is done. Begin with how and end with a question mark. Speaking the how questions. These questions are spoken in a different manner. Look at this. How are we going to the fair? The speaker modulates his or her speech higher while speaking how and drops the modulation for some part of the sentence and raises it again at the end. The word how is also stressed while speaking. Let's repeat these questions, paying attention to modulation. How could you meet your favorite cricketer? How did you behave when he talked to you? Children, did you notice how the how was spoken differently from the rest of the sentence? So children, today we have learnt about when and how questions. We have also learnt that they begin with when and how and end with a question mark, and that they are spoken differently from other types of sentences.
Hope you have learnt and enjoyed the video. This was all about WH questions. I shall meet you again in another video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.